integrity, courage, perseverance, personal responsibility, professionalism, adaptability, team player, capability. These are the core attributes of U.S. Army Special Operations Forces. Professionalism is the trademark of the cadre and staff who assess, select, train and educate the students at the John F. Kennedy Special Warfare Center and School. Designated the Special Operations Center of Excellence, SWCC is the proponent for the country's elite civil affairs, psychological operations, and Special Forces soldiers. Based at Fort Bragg, North Carolina, the center and school has several main elements that work jointly to train soldiers seeking to join the 3 elite RSOF regiments. The 1st Special Warfare Training Group provides training from initial entry to some of the most high-risk advanced skills in the Department of Defense. Each RSOF candidate attends an intense assessment and selection program. The men and women who pass selection enter their respective qualification courses, which can last from 1 to 3 years depending on their specialty. SWCC students are provided with some of the most advanced weapons, engineering, communications, and emergency medical training available in the Department of Defense. These courses are taught not only in the classroom, but in the woods and mountains of central North Carolina. They have been honed for decades to transform the students from skilled soldiers into professional warrior diplomats who are experts in the employment of the 4 pillars of RSOF. RSOF soldiers are trained to provide crisis response on a moment's notice. Training at the Special Warfare Center and School gives soldiers the skills to rescue people under threat, to recover sensitive materials, to provide humanitarian relief, and to address other short-notice requirements in the United States and while deployed to partner nations. U.S. Special Operations soldiers also possess the ability to provide precision targeting when diplomacy is no longer an option. The Special Warfare Education Group provides language, culture, and advanced education to RSOF soldiers.
Bang suliranin na may inyong katawan o kalusugan para sa aking mga...
RSOF soldiers, unlike any other in the Department of Defense, are culturally astute and language capable, allowing them to take the indigenous approach when working with partner nations. RSOF soldiers are deployed in more than 70 countries at any given time, and the importance of being able to understand and influence the local populace is key to advancing U.S. objectives. Training at the Special Operations Center for Enhanced Performance teaches RSOF soldiers the importance of keeping not only their bodies, but their minds in peak condition. The Special Warfare Medical Group provides the force with the best combat medics on the battlefield. Special Operations medics from sister services train alongside soldiers at the Joint Special Operations Medical Training Center on Fort Bragg. Once initial training is completed, medics conduct rotations in emergency rooms and trauma centers throughout the United States. Near the end of their respective qualification courses, soldiers are put to the test in challenging culmination exercises that determine not only if they have mastered the tactical skills needed to survive on the battlefield, but also the adaptability and reasoning skills to operate successfully in complex environments by, with, and through our partner forces to achieve our nation's objectives. The training provided by SWCC does not stop with new special operators. Advanced training takes place at Fort Bragg and several satellite facilities across the U.S., such as the Special Forces Underwater Operations School at Key West, Florida, and the Military Freefall School in Yuma, Arizona. Advanced courses are also taught in technical exploitation, physical and technical surveillance, and digital targeting at the Joint Exploitation Training Center. RSOF non-commissioned officers develop additional expertise through the David K. Thuma Non-Commissioned Officer Academy. And select Green Berets attend the Warrant Officer Institute, providing the force with a pool of experienced leaders who are specially trained in the unique command needs of a Special Forces operational detachment. Finally, RSOF soldiers are afforded the opportunity over the course of their careers to receive advanced degrees through programs offered with partner educational institutions. The operational effectiveness of Army Special Operations Forces remains without equal, and the success of RSOF on the battlefield is directly tied to the world-class training and education that soldiers receive at the John F. Kennedy Special Warfare Center and School. Our mission is critical. Our training, unique. The lessons learned here ensure that our soft warriors are prepared for the battlefields of today and the uncertain future of tomorrow.